Hi everyone, today we're making an origami fighter jet. Welcome to Origami Top. I'm starting with an A4 sheet of paper and trimming off about ½ inch from the side. Now fold it vertically in half. Unfold it, flip the paper over, fold the top right corner diagonally toward the side, leave a small gap near the edge. Unfold it, repeat the same fold on the other side. Unfold again, flip the paper over. Now fold the top section down horizontally, right where the diagonal folds meet. Unfold, flip the paper again. We're going to make a bomb base. Fold both side edges into the center along the creases. Then press the top section down flat. Now fold the upper right layer to the left vertically. Fold the left side diagonally toward the center line. Then fold that section back to the right vertically. Fold it over to the right once again. Now fold the right section diagonally toward the center line. Then fold that layer to the left vertically. And it should look like this. Flip the model over. Fold the right side vertically. The exact line I'll show you in a few seconds. This is right here, where these creases intersect. Gently press along the line so the two corners stick out slightly. Now fold the left side to the right vertically. Flip the model over again. Fold the upper right layer to the left. Now fold the right side diagonally toward the center line. Fold the left edge to the right. And fold it one more time to the right. Now fold the left side diagonally toward the center line. Next, fold the top layer diagonally outward. There's no exact position, just follow along with my model. Let me show you this crease again. Now fold the right section to the left. Fold it to the left once more. Then fold the top layer diagonally to the left. To make it symmetrical, align it exactly with the previous fold. Now fold the left side to the right. Fold it to the right once more again. Fold the top layer diagonally outward. Again, just follow the general angle I'm using. Here's the fold line one more time. Flip the model over. Fold the left section to the right along the center line. Now fold the right side diagonally outward. Align it carefully to keep symmetry. Then fold the right part back to the left. Flip the model over and fold the right part to the left once more. And it should look like this. Now fold the right side to the left again. Then fold the top right section diagonally downward. The crease goes from the left corner to the middle of the right edge. Fold the left layer to the right. Repeat that step once more. Now fold the top left section diagonally downward in the same way. Fold the right layer to the left again. Now open the bottom section along this line. Gently lift the top layer. We're going to flatten this area to form a triangle. Let's take a closer look. Press the top layer down along the diagonal folds until you get a triangle shape. If your folds don't align perfectly corner to corner, that's okay. We'll fix it later. Now fold the left section upward along the same line until it stands vertically. And repeat the same step on the other side. Open from the bottom and flatten from the top to make another triangle. Then fold the right section up vertically. And it should look like this. Now make a mountain folds along the diagonals to tuck that section inside. I'm pressing from both sides, top and bottom, to fold the part inward. Now flatten everything back down along the sides. Slightly open the bottom. It should look like this. Now fold diagonally to form the cockpit of the jet. Lay the model flat and fold the top layer diagonally upward. Flip the model over. And repeat on the other side. It should look like this. Now fold the top corner downward. Unfold it. Slightly open this part and make a reverse fold, tucking the tip inside. Flip the model. Repeat the same step on the other side. Unfold again. Open slightly this part and tuck the tip inside. Flip the model. Fold the top section down along this line to lock the shape in place. Smooth out all the folds carefully. And your origami fighter jet is completely ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support.